10 major new changes regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I can't believe, but we are less than a month away from the official Unpacked event. For the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung is indeed going absolutely all out with the S24 Ultra for 2024. Let's start with the most important camera upgrade, which is coming to the main sensor. Galaxy S24 Ultra might output 24 megapixel photos by default, compared to 12 megapixel of the previous generation. You're going to get twice the resolution without any decrease in HDR quality. This is the single killer change that Apple did on the iPhone 15 Pro series, which proved to be such a big prices maker compared to all the other competition, and now seems like Samsung is about to do the same thing. Now, Galaxy S24 Ultra will offer the best 8K video experience on any phone on the market right now, in addition to taking 8K videos at 30 FPS out of the main sensor. You can now use the new 5xx50M sensor to take 8K videos at 5x magnification. This will be the first flagship smartphone to shoot 8K video out of that 5x zoom sensor. People are very skeptical about the 5x zoom, but guys, seems like this new 5x zoom is looking a solid upgrade over the S23 Ultra. Now, this 5x zoom sensor will also be able to take portrait zoom photos. So you'll now sensor will also be able portrait zoom photos. So you now be able to shoot portrait mode photos from 1x, 2x, 3x, and 5x magnifications. Now, further mentioned that this 5x zoom will have superior stabilization. You will be able to take smoother videos as well as shoot better night mode, SL low light photos out of this 5x sensor. Now, enough about the cameras. Galaxy S24 Ultra could be the strongest phone on the market. The S24 Ultra is said to be the first phone to the new Gorilla Glass armor with incredible improvement to the durability. Not just that the titanium frame is not just for the show-off and the premiumness, it's actually going to make the phone about 56% better in durability compared to aluminum frame from last generation. Samsung is indeed trying to make the unbreakable Galaxy. Of course, no phone is unbreakable, but yes, the S24 Ultra is getting very, very strong now. So if you like this video, so share and subscribe.